Na yan siya, mga subscribers. Mahal itong si Tino. Tino is expensive food. Okay. She's super excited, oh. Enjoy. Parang gusto kong kumain ng saging with ginamos ug mapili tayo saging. Barato na saging na status ubos kay tagkuan na ra tag upat 5 ra. Hoy! Ano na siya kaulat, guys? Oh. He cannot wait. Big brother will wait, and also Joy. Princess will eat in the room. She will eat in the library. Dapat the door is closed. She wants to eat in peace. Mm. Ka. Parang kayami ah. Nami, Big brother in the bed. Big brother is lying while eating and Joy in the room. Sir? Yan mo, Tino. May rag yan kasi, dumi kasi pag nagluluto. Ito may rag kami. Muna. Oh. Slowly, Tino. It's slowly. It's slowly.